Hey guys, today I want to share a recipe with you that is so delicious. It's for a lentil soup. Girl, it even has some collard greens in it. It's warm, it's cozy, it's perfect for this time of year, and it's easy to make. So for this soup, you're going to need some brown or green lentils. You're also going to need some diced tomato. I would suggest using fire roasted diced tomato. It just adds more flavor. You're going to need a couple of carrots peeled and chopped. You're also going to need some diced onion, some fresh lemon juice. You're going to need some minced garlic, and you want a couple of pinches of red pepper flakes or more if you like a little heat. Now, the original recipe that I got this recipe from said to use kale, but I'm not a big kale fan, and I had some fresh collard greens straight from the garden, girl, and they were so good. So I went ahead and switched it up a little bit, and I'm going to add in some collard greens, but you can use kale if you would like. You're also going to need some vegetable or chicken broth, olive oil, and some seasonings and spices. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up our olive oil in a big pot. And then we're going to go ahead and throw in our carrots. And then we're going to add our onion in, and we're going to let these two cook together for a few minutes. You just want your onion to get nice and soft. And then we're going to go ahead and add in some minced garlic. We're going to add in some cumin, some curry powder, and a little bit of dried thyme. We're going to mix that in with our carrots and our onions. And we're going to let this cook for another minute or so just to warm up those spices. Next, we're going to add in our diced tomatoes. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our lentils. And then our broth. Now, because I'm using vegetable broth, I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of water just to thin it out because vegetable broth is pretty thick. Next, I'm going to add in my collard greens. Now, if you're using kale, you're going to add your kale in at the end, but because I'm using collard greens, I'm going to let it cook throughout the whole process because collard greens take a while. I'm going to go ahead and add in some smoked paprika, some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of Lawrys seasoning salt and my red pepper flakes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this soup up to a boil. Once it hits a boil, you want to cut your heat down to a simmer, and then we're going to caulk the lid on, and we're going to let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. You just want to cook it until your lentils are tender, but they still hold their shape. You guys, this is the perfect fall soup.